This is not a technical presentation. It's a business presentation. It sounds like it's a technical one, but it's really a business presentation. And my perspective as a technology entrepreneur, and actually I never invent anything. I'm the guy that figures out, along with the guys who are smart and invent stuff, how to commercialize it, how to take it to market, and how to raise the money to do that. So the three companies that I led, which would be classified as deep tech companies, were all in sort of signal processing domain. The first was multimedia processing for the first camera phones. In fact, if you bought a Samsung camera phone between 2006 to about 2011, it would be using a multimedia processing chip doing the video and camera functions from my first company. And the second was one of the first computer vision neural net processor companies called Cognivue, which was a founding member of the Embedded Vision Alliance when it was called that back in 2011 or 2012. It was a great actually vehicle for a small tech startup to get a bigger voice in the market at that time. And at that time, back in 2011, this was nascent in a sense. The only other company out there doing something, the only other two companies that were doing a processor core specifically for computer vision, where the processor architecture was designed specifically for more efficient, power and cost-effective computer vision processing, was Movidius and Mobileye. Movidius was bought by Intel. Of course, Mobileye was bought by Intel too. Anyway, so that was Cognivue. The third one was perceptual display processing. But in each of these company cases, what I was always looking for was, what is the commercial prospects? Because you got to tell a good story to investors to get them excited about what you're doing. And part of the job I do with the tech startups I work with today, and the investment bank is looking at, what are sort of the big possible opportunities for, in particular, tech differentiation companies. So companies not SaaS-based, not operational excellence, but a company that's building a better mousetrap. And this area of multimodal, and by the way, multimodal in this conference is typically being understood as text and image with large language models. In this case, I'm talking about multimodal being multi-sensor perception. So it's perception based on different sources of sensor data.